Are you looking for a phone system that can help you grow your business? So you're not alone. Millions of businesses around the world are looking for the best phone system to meet their needs. But with so many options on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. In this video, we're going to compare Nextiva to some of its top competitors to see who is the better choice for your business. We'll look at everything from features and pricing to customer service and reliability. So, if you're in the market for a new phone system, be sure to watch this video to learn more about Nextiva and its competitors. What is Nextiva? Nextiva is a cloud-based phone system that offers a variety of features, including unlimited calling, texting, and voicemail transcription, call forwarding, call recording, auto attendant, interactive voice response, IVR, fax, video conferencing, and more. Nextiva is also known for its excellent customer service. They offer 24/7 support, and their customers consistently rate them highly for their helpfulness and responsiveness. Nextiva's competitors. There are a number of other cloud-based phone systems on the market, but some of Nextiva's top competitors include RingCentral, Grasshopper, Vonage, 8x8, Dialpad. Comparing Nextiva to its competitors. Now that we know a little bit about Nextiva and its competitors, let's take a closer look at how they stack up against each other. Features. Nextiva offers a wider range of features than most of its competitors. RingCentral and Grasshopper are also well-equipped with features, but they may not be as comprehensive as Nextiva. Vonage, 8x8, and Dialpad offer a more limited set of features. Pricing. Nextiva is generally more expensive than its competitors. RingCentral and Grasshopper are typically less expensive than Nextiva. Vonage, 8x8, and Dialpad are also generally less expensive than Nextiva. Customer service. Nextiva has an excellent reputation for customer service. RingCentral, Grasshopper, Vonage, 8x8, and Dialpad all offer good customer service. Reliability. Nextiva is a reliable phone system. RingCentral, Grasshopper, Vonage, 8x8, and Dialpad are also reliable phone systems. So, who is better than Nextiva? The answer to this question depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a comprehensive phone system with a wide range of features, then Nextiva may be the right choice for you. However, if you're on a tight budget, then one of Nextiva's competitors may be a better option. Ultimately, the best way to decide which phone system is right for you is to do your research and compare the different options available. In this video, we've compared Nextiva to some of its top competitors to see who is the better choice for your business. We've looked at everything from features and pricing to customer service and reliability. Ultimately, the best way to decide which phone system is right for you is to do your research and compare the different options available. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,